My name is Urmila Nibangune and today's topic is abstraction and encapsulation. These both are very important concept of OOP which are used in Java programming language. We will see both of this one by one. First one is abstraction. Abstraction means hiding the details from end user and showing the details which are only needed to him or end user. For example, there is a washing machine. A manufacturer of washing machine shows only important details or only functions which are used uh, by end user, that is any person or human. That means it shows only functions like start, pause, then regular clean, for woolen, and for tub clean, etc. And the functioning which are internal part or internal execution of that washing machine are hidden from end user. Abstraction works exactly like that. And definition of abstraction is hiding the data from user and showing only the things which are needed to user. In Java programming languages, abstraction is achieved by abstract class or interface. In abstraction, uh, in a class, there is abstract method present or non-abstract method also present. In this case, 100% abstraction is not achieved. In order to achieve 100% abstraction, we need interface. Then we will see both of these one by one. First one is abstract class. When there is at least one method is present in abstract class, then we have to declare a class as abstract. That means we have to declare abstract keyword followed by class name, and it can contain abstract methods as well as non-abstract methods. That abstract methods get defined in other classes. In order to define that method, we have to extend the class, that is our abstract class. Then a second one is interface. When we declare interface, the methods declared in interface are by default abstract. That means we don't have to write abstract keyword before writing abstract methods. And for writing interface or for declaring interface, we have to use interface keyword and followed by the name of interface. Then in order to achieve interface concept, we have to use parent child relation, that is inheritance. Multiple inheritance is used to achieve interfaces. That is multiple inheritance means from two one or more from two or more parent classes, there is only single derived class, and that derived class can contain the properties of all his parent class as well as his own. This is only possible by using interface, because in classes, by when we use classes for achieving multiple inheritance, their compiler get confused that which method to use if all his parent contains a method with same name. Then second concept is encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but binding a data together into single unit. That means whenever whatever the data is present in our class, that is get binded or get united into a single unit and represented as a single unit. Mm, It is also used for hiding a data. For example, school bag or college bag is an example of encapsulation. That bag contains all our data, that is notebooks, books, pen, pencil, compass box, tiffin box, etc. That's it. Thank you.